Okay, en route from Tuscaloosa to Birmingham. And we have this problem with the VHM irrelevant waypoint. You get around it by selecting an approach, then it asks you what airport, so that's one way. The waypoint doesn't have an approach. Then you get to this much. Then I select the airport for that too. The thing is still there, so I go clear that and select vectors. But actually this isn't bad because you can see straight ahead, we should see the airport. We're actually flying straight towards runway 6. Oops. Oh, what are you doing? I don't know it's got a wild hair for some reason. This is 6.9. Okay, so we'll just reset it then. But then 7.0. Set that to 7.0. And we can turn this on the nav mode, which is on. Turn this on. That's insane. It's got this wild hair about going over this way. You know, it's like, you know, the autopilot used to do, get its wild hairs. See? Knows where to go. It did a good job back there, tracking in on the runway. But look at this. This is the old deal. You know what?
What?
This is the old autopilot starting to swing like that.
Right.